So large language models use a specific type of template called a text template. And they serve the purpose of when you are writing and inputting some raw text into the large language model, that text has to be converted into some format that the model is familiar with. Because the closer we can get to the environment it was trained in, the more likely it is to produce better answers for us. So this text is converted into some more familiar text, but it's text to text. This is a text template. It doesn't convert from one data type to another data type. It just takes in your raw text and puts it into a format that the AI model is more familiar with. And so an example of this would be, say you want to have a conversation with the AI. You would have inputted something like, hello. And what has to happen is that this raw text over here has to be processed into the format in which the AI model was trained. So what would happen is we would add something like, you might often see this format being used, where you have the user inputting some text, and then we write assistant waiting for the AI model to respond. And so it's this kind of processing that would happen to the raw text. And in this case, we used a template of user assistant with this style. But you can have multiple different templates for multiple different types of large language models. And each template has the purpose of getting the input data into a form that the large language model will recognize based on the training data it trained on. So that is the purpose of templates.